So I was just relaxing here on Saturday, doing a little sewing projects and stuff like that, and I checked my phone because I've been waiting for this package and it came. So I figured I'd do an unboxing quick. So here we go. I ordered it from Cycle Gear, and they are riding pants. They're motorcycle pants that have protection. They have some Kevlar. They're different type of pant that looks like a jean. The pants that I'm wearing now, actually I want to tell you, these are the pants that I've been wearing to ride. I don't know if you can see them. They're just fashion jeans. They're not riding pants. So they're stretchy, which I like, a skinny leg, and they don't have belt loops because I like to put my key on a belt loop, but since there is no belt loop, I put it on the tag and I ride like that. And these pockets are false, so that's not good. And when you're riding, you need pockets. So they look like a motorcycle style, but it's just fashion. Anyway, so here we are. It's a pair of pants called the Scarlett Skinny Women's Jeans for riding, and they're made by KNOX. And KNOX is the company that makes the riding gear. These are the knee pads. And these are the hip guards that go inside the pants like this. These are skinny jeans. Oh well. Lady Scarlett Skinny Fit Jeans. Breathable, abrasion resistant, Cordura fabric, durable, versatile, reliable. Cool Max. So the thing that I was interested in, look, it actually has real pockets. And this little metal hook thing on the belt loop to hang my keys, my fob. So I'm going to try them on and show you how they look. Like I said, I ordered 2 sizes. That way, if one is too big or too loose, I can size up and down and then show you this cool feature where you put the knee pads in from the outside. So I took them out of the package, as you saw, and I put them on. The sizing chart on the website says that you should measure your natural waist, and I did, and it said mine was 34, so it told me to order extra large, and I'm like, okay, they know what they're doing, they know what they manufactured. But I put them on. These are huge. These are giant, and these are supposed to be skinny jeans. The cool thing is, and the reason why I have this here is because I like this. My other pants didn't have loops because they were fashion jeans. These actually have a place for my keys, or I could hook it onto a loop like I used to. And inside here is a hip protection, which I have one here to show you. There's a little pocket in there, and you just slip it in, and it gives you that hip protection. This, I don't, whatever. I heard that people, even the skinny girls who wear extra small, say they have this material here, but because you need that to put your leg over the bike. But if you see, look at all the stretch it has. But these are not skinny jeans, kid. Want to take the KNOX micro lock, which is cool, that you put in. You could take it out when you're not riding, but the cool thing is you can just put it in here and zip it up. But like I said, these are huge on me. These are in no way skinny jeans for me. But look, my natural band of my knee is there, and look where the thing is. Oh my God. This ends up here to me. My knee is up here, so no good. So I would say go by the size that you would normally wear. That size chart was actually a fail for me. I wasn't sure when they said I needed an extra large, and I'm like, I am kind of chubby, but I use, normally I wear a size 8. And so I would say if you wear a size 8, I would say go for a medium to have a true skinny jean fit. But I will be ordering the medium because I like everything about these. I like the color. I like that you could take the pads in and out. Here are the hip pads. I love the little pocket. I love to hang my keys if I wanted to hang them there or here. I love that these pockets are true pockets, deep, that you could actually put things in, not like the fashion jeans that I wear that don't have functionality. It's just fashion. So that's it. I wanted to share my unboxing. It is a thumbs up, even though these don't fit me. The cool thing is that it comes with the pads. So that's a good feature. And I think they will be cute if I get them in my size. So there we go. I do give it a thumbs up. I approve of these jeans. I just need to go by my fashion size. I think what I'm going to do is wear my fashion jeans tomorrow because I'm going riding. I think I'm going to put these inside my knee on my other jeans. For the time being, why not? I have them. So thanks again. I hope this helps somebody. I'm going to start being active on my Instagram, so you can follow me there as well. Thanks, guys.